Hey, this is a Hitachi IH-110 two-pocket bill counter, and in this video we're going to show you how to check the sensors on your machine. First thing, tap the menu key, okay, and then you should see 4 buttons like this. Sometimes you'll see 8 depending on whether you're logged in. What we need to do is log into the rest of the menu. So you tap COM info, tap PIN, tap the lock, enter 0000, and it opens up, and you hit your blue button here to go back to the main screen here. Now you have all 8 buttons on here. So if you tap machine status and then CNT, this brings up a screen where it shows you the different sensors. Okay, now if you put your finger over the hopper sensor on top, it turns red and it says that there's something blocking the sensor, so that tells you that the sensor is working properly. Now for the reject sensor, you put your finger in and block that. Same thing. Stacker sensor down below, put your finger down there and block that. Okay. For the count SOL, those are 2 sensors that are down inside. So you open up the machine and it shows you that those sensors are no longer reading, and the reject also will turn red. All right. And then count jam is the back of the machine. So if you open the back of the machine, it'll register that. So basically, all of them should be gray. When one is blocked, it should be red. If you can get to this screen, when you turn the machine on and you see there's a sensor warning, you can come into the screen and look and see, and it'll kind of tell you which one is which. 99% of the time, if you just clean whatever sensor it says, that takes care of the problem. On occasion, you will have problems with it. Maybe some dirt has gotten on the inside of the sensor where you can't get to it. The machine will have to be taken apart to be cleaned, and it's possible that the sensor might be bad, in which case it would need to be replaced, and send it into us and we can replace it. All right, so if I hit the blue button, go back out to the main screen. Now I have machine setting. CNT is your count, and then you see all your sensors: hopper, reject, stacker, solenoid, left and right, and jam. If you tap the center of the screen, okay, you get those extra buttons pop up. If you tap view, okay, it shows your hopper. Now when the hopper's at rest and there's nothing there, it registers down here at the bottom. If you put your finger over, that jumps up, and which tells you that, and you can see where it says on comes on here. All right. Now if you tap this word hopper, it changes to reject, and the same thing. Now the hopper sensor starts out low and goes high. All the other sensors start out high and go low. Okay, so if you put your finger over the reject sensor, it drops down. Right, tap it to change to stacker. Put your finger over that, and it drops down. Same thing, kind of like we did before. Solenoid left, again, that's on the inside. You open it up. Right, and solenoid right. Okay, and then tap it one more time for count jam. Same thing, open the back, see it drop down, close it, and it drops and it comes back up. So all these sensors are working properly, and you can now these numbers in here, to be honest, I don't know exactly what all of those numbers mean. Only that you can again it turns on when you put your finger over the various sensors. But that's a way to check your sensors, make sure they're working properly. And again, if something needs to be internally cleaned or replaced, you can send that back to us. We'll do that for you. And of course, external cleaning, you basically take a lens wipe, alcohol soaked lens wipe, and clean the lenses. The hopper lens is up here, of course the reject lens is here, and the matching lens is up underneath. Your stacker back up in here, and of course in the very front as well. You probably can't see that on the video. Okay, your solenoid sensors are in here. There's this side here, and then the matching sensors on the bottom, so you get both. Make sure you get both sides of that. And in the back, the count jam sensor, there's 2 little circles here and then 2 matching circles there. And of course, while you're cleaning, you might as well clean the glass bar here, and there's a metal bar down here, and below the metal bar there are some more sensors as well, and you want to clean both this side of it and the inside of it as well, because there's the matching sensors all on the inside. All right, so that's your basics of checking your sensors and cleaning your machine.